Hi everyone. We've created materials and assignment for our Google Classroom. And if you check the tab grades now, you can see the grade there because you have marked one particular student's assignment. So you can see 10 on 10 there, and the class average is 10 because just one person is there. So you can like see all your students' mark here, and it is very easy to maintain or record marks in Google Classroom. And the next thing we are going to explore is like creating quizzes. I told you there are two ways of assessments possible in Google Classroom. The first one, assignment, we have already done that. We have done like assignment and its correction, and now is next is the quiz. Okay, how do you create a quiz? Okay, just again click on this particular tab. um, that is, you have this quiz assignment is called the quiz. Okay, just click on this quiz assignment. When you just click quiz assignment, so there is already, you can see a blank quiz. This is actually a Google form, appears in this particular page. So you can just give quiz number 1. We have already given an assignment under the topic history of journalism in India. Now we are going to give a quiz under this particular topic, tree of journalism in India. So instructions, if you have any, you can give. Okay, so you already have a blank quiz. Okay, it's here. If you just click on this, it just opens a new quiz, so you can add your question. So you have a detailed session about Google Forms, how you can convert this Google Forms into quiz and all in the in the coming days. So I'm not just concentrating on the quiz, I'm just telling you how you can assign this particular quiz, or you can just prepare this quiz for students. Okay, I'm just creating a blank quiz. That is quiz number 1. I already named it quiz number 1. Then I can add so this is for second year communicative English students. Then I can type name the first newspaper in India. Name the first newspaper. Name the first newspaper. So I'm just giving, I have plenty of options here. I'm just giving multiple choice. So I'm just giving Bengal Gazette. Then my next option, Calcutta Gazette, Malayalam Manorama, Rajya Samacharam, and these are my options. Okay, and I can actually give, see, there is an option, I can give the answer key. So I can just give the answer here. So it is like I just need to click on this answer. So this is my answer. Okay, so and I can give points, just 1 point for this answer, and just give done. That means my first question is ready. Like this, I can add more question. Young India is associated with, I can give the options here, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Indira Gandhi. So I can give my options. These are all just random questions. Okay, so I'm just giving, click on answer key, just give Mahatma Gandhi, that is my option. I'm just giving 2 points. Okay, so I can make it mandatory if I want, like, you can just make it required. So they need to answer this question. So my quiz is ready now. So next is like, in this way you can add, if you want, you can add essay questions, short answers and all. And you can, if you are giving it right away, you can just send it to them and they can actually, access your quiz. Otherwise, you can just go back to your just go back. If you're giving it right now, just send it. That will reach them, your students, okay, directly. Otherwise, just go back to your classwork and see this particular, not assign, the next button. Can you see a downward arrow? Click on that and you can schedule this particular thing. So I'm just scheduling it for 10 o'clock. Okay, I can just 10. So this particular quiz will reach your students at 10 p.m. So scheduled for tomorrow 10 p.m. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. So this is how you create a quiz in your Google Classroom. Otherwise, if you don't want to schedule it, like, you don't want to schedule it and you want to, send it right away, you can send it to them. And all your results, okay, and this is like, you can change, like, so when you are creating a quiz, so this is your quiz. And one more option, I just forgot to tell you, this is your quiz, right? And if you want to, like, here is an option. You can collect, you can limit to one response, that all is possible. Then you can actually manually correct your answers. If you want to manually correct it, you can do that immediately after each submission is another option. So there are, you can release the grade immediately after they, like, enter their answer. They will receive the marks. Otherwise, later after manual review, especially if you have some short answer or long answer questions, then you can give this option. And you are collecting their email IDs. So once you manually correct it, you can send it back to them, like we did it in our assignment. So once you correct it, you can just give it, send it back to them. So that option is also possible. So here I just gave 2 MCQs. For me, it is like for me it is like, immediately after each submission is fine. So that also you can do, like, you can change it in the settings. So as I told you before, you have a very interesting session coming about this Google quizzes. I mean, there's Google Forms and quizzes. So please watch that, so you can explore more options of this in that particular session. And this is just for your understanding, like, you have an option called quiz in your Google Classroom. Hope you understood the 2 assessment tools what you use in Google Classrooms. Thank you.